How incredible is it that in this day and age, there are so many opportunities to earn money online? If you're new to my channel, this is MetaUverse. Let's now learn how to make some money online by watching videos. I'll now present a list of all the people all over the world who have requested a withdrawal of funds from our service. As a result, you may be thinking how much money there is in video watching. Earnings per video can reach $1.50. That's why if you watch 10 videos, you can earn up to $15. You can now make up to $75 for watching 50 videos and $30 for watching only 20. The only thing you need is some sort of electronic device, whether a smartphone, computer, or laptop. The method I will outline today will not cost you a dime to implement. The convenience of global availability means that you need not leave your home to complete this. First, go to scarletclicks.info. Here at the very top, you can see that they have distributed over $2.5 million to over 1 million subscribers around the world. The time has come to start the registration procedure. Thus, all you have to do is hit the register button up there. Clicking that link will take you to a registration page where you can join at no cost to you. Enter your full name, date of birth, username, password, and email address. Then confirm your password and email address. After that, you can enter the details of the account into which the funds should be deposited. Payoneer, Bitcoin, Neteller, Skrill, AirTM, Litecoin, Dash, and FaucetPay are just some of the options available to you. After choosing a method of payment, you can move on to the next step of the image verification process. Enter the characters and digits that appear below. Click Register once you've read and accepted the terms of service. Once logged in, your account will appear as shown. A picture with lots of small boxes in it will appear. Therefore, the location may be viewed by hovering the mouse over the last box in the image's bottom right corner. Overall, there are 20 by 28 compartments available. As so, this image has 560 individual boxes, each of which stands in for a different video. The only thing you need to do to begin making money is to check off one of these boxes. Selecting this will send you to a random page. Stay for at least 30 seconds and you'll get paid. For instance, If I select this box and click the button, I will be redirected here. I only need to wait another 30 seconds. Nothing compels you to act on this. Do nothing except wait on this page while you wait. Absolutely zero effort is required, and registration is unnecessary. Because there are 560 boxes to select from, the outcomes are completely open. It's just a matter of time before you start bringing in a steady stream of cash. In a nutshell, all you have to do to get money is click any box on the page and stay there for 30 seconds. You may be forgiven for wondering what happened to the video viewing section. These boxes typically lead to a video advertisement when clicked on, and that's fantastic news, because the revenue you generate from video ads will increase by a factor of 2. Are you still with us? If you find this video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Stay on the page until the video is over to double your earnings. This kind of banner ad appears on these pages occasionally, by the way. Now that you know that clicking these banner ads will increase your earnings, you will do so. To put it another way, if you want to generate more money, you should keep clicking the ads anytime you see them. If you don't mind, I'd want to view this advertisement right now. Once I click that, I'll be brought here where I relax for a while. You should know that I am not obligated to do anything, and that you are free to do whatever you like. If you're still here, I'll throw in one more tip for boosting your bank account. One method is to make reference to those already accomplished. So, invite your loved ones or a group of buddies to sign up for an account on our platform. This is a surefire way to increase your financial rewards. As you can see over on the left, referrals can come in a few different forms: direct, rented, and purchased. But you should only pay attention to direct suggestions. As a result, people have been able to make a decent earnings from our service, and they did it entirely by consulting books and movies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos, and if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.